Once upon a time, there were three best friends who lived in a beautiful forest. Their names were Momo, Benny, and Daisy. Momo was a white rabbit with soft fur and long ears. Benny was a brown monkey who loved to climb trees and swing from branches. Daisy was a blue duck with shiny feathers and a cheerful smile. They were the best friends forever. One sunny morning, Momo hopped out of her cozy burrow. She stretched her long ears and looked at the bright sky. "What a lovely day," said Momo. Momo hopped to the big tree where Benny loved to play. Benny was sitting on a branch, eating a banana. "Good morning, Benny," Momo called up to him. "Good morning, Momo," Benny replied. He waved his hand and climbed down quickly. Together, they walked to the little pond where Daisy lived. Daisy was already swimming in the water. "Good morning, Daisy," they said. "Good morning, friends." Daisy quacked happily. "What shall we do today?" Momo thought for a moment. "I am feeling hungry. Let's go to the small hill in the forest. Maybe we can find some food there." "That's a great idea," said Benny. "Quack, quack." "Let's go," said Daisy. She jumped out of the water and flapped her wings. The three friends started their journey. Momo hopped in the front, Benny walked beside her, and Daisy waddled behind them. They laughed and sang songs as they walked through the forest. On the way, they saw many beautiful things. They saw colorful flowers, tall trees, and little birds singing in the branches. "Look at that butterfly," said Benny, pointing to a yellow butterfly flying near them. "It's so pretty," said Daisy. Momo stopped and sniffed the air. "I can smell something sweet. Let's hurry to the hill." They walked a little faster. Soon, they reached the small hill. It was covered in green grass and had a big tree at the top. The friends began to look for food. Momo hopped around and found some juicy carrots near a bush. "Carrots, my favorite," she said, munching happily. Benny climbed a tree and found ripe bananas hanging from a branch. "Bananas. Yum," he said, peeling one and eating it. Daisy waddled to a little stream at the bottom of the hill. She found small berries growing near the water. "Berries. So tasty," she quacked. The three friends sat under the big tree and shared their food. Momo gave some carrots to Benny and Daisy. Benny shared his bananas, and Daisy shared her berries. "This is the best meal ever," said Momo. "Yes, because we are together," said Benny. "Best friends forever," said Daisy. After they ate, Benny said, "Let's play a game." "What game?" asked Daisy. "Hide and seek," said Benny. "Great idea," said Momo. "I will count first." Momo closed her eyes and began to count. 1, 2, 3. Benny quickly climbed the big tree and hid behind the leaves. Daisy waddled to the stream and hid behind some tall grass. "Ready or not, here I come," said Momo. She hopped around, looking for her friends. She saw Daisy's shiny blue feathers near the grass. "Found you, Daisy," said Momo. "Quack, quack. You found me." Daisy laughed. Next, Momo looked up at the tree. She saw Benny's tail hanging down. "Found you, Benny," said Momo. "Oh no, you're too good at this game." Benny laughed as he climbed down. They played and laughed until the sun began to set. "It's getting late. We should go home now," said Daisy. "Yes, but today was so much fun," said Momo. "Let's come back here tomorrow," said Benny. The three friends walked back home, feeling happy and full. The forest was quiet and peaceful as the stars began to shine in the sky. "Good night, Momo." "Good night, Benny," said Daisy when they reached the pond. Good night, Daisy, said Momo and Benny. Benny climbed back to his tree, and Momo hopped back to her burrow. They all went to sleep, dreaming of their next adventure together. And they stayed best friends forever.